Every morning, we start our day with a pledge of allegiance and a moment of silence. But have you ever wondered how to make that moment of silence truly powerful? Today, we're talking about the positive law of attraction, how positive thinking can shape your life, and how, as a high school student, you can use this quiet moment to visualize peace, success, and happiness.
The positive law of attraction is the idea that our thoughts have energy, and what we focus on, we attract into our lives. Simply put, think positively, and positive things are more likely to happen. This doesn't mean wishing for something makes it magically appear. It's about aligning your mindset, emotions, and actions toward achieving your goals. And it starts with something as simple as focusing your thoughts during moments of silence.
When the moment of silence begins, take a deep breath. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and ask yourself, what do I want to focus on today? Maybe it's staying calm during a big test, making a new friend, or visualizing your team winning the game. Picture it happening. Imagine how it feels, the sounds, and even the smells around you. This is more than daydreaming, it's setting an intention for your day.
Here's why it works. Studies show that people who think positively are more likely to take proactive steps toward their goals. They don't just sit back, they work for what they want. Neuroscience reveals that positive thinking rewires your brain, making it easier to overcome challenges and find creative solutions. Athletes use visualization techniques, like imagining the perfect free throw or crossing the finish line first, to improve their performance, and it works.
In fact, a study by the Mayo Clinic found that people with a positive outlook had a 50% lower risk of dying from major illnesses compared to those who focused on negative thoughts.
When you take a moment each day to visualize success, you're planting seeds for your future. Think about this: if you tell yourself, I can't do this, your brain will look for evidence to prove you right. But if you say, I'll find a way to do this, your brain starts finding paths and opportunities to make it happen. Even when challenges arise, a positive mindset keeps you motivated to push through.
Key results can vary, but research shows that mindset plays a key role in success. According to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, people who visualized their goals and followed up with action were 42% more likely to achieve them.
On the other hand, those who didn't focus on their goals or who constantly doubted themselves often reported higher levels of stress and lower overall achievement. The takeaway: positive thinking isn't just woo-woo. It's a mental strategy for success.
Here's how you can make the positive law of attraction work for you. Start small. During the moment of silence, pick one goal or feeling to focus on, like feeling calm or confident. Visualize success.
Take action. Positive thinking is the first step. The next step is doing something about it. Even small actions can build momentum. Reflect. At the end of the day, take a moment to think about what went well and what you achieved. This reinforces your positive mindset.
The moment of silence isn't just a break in your day, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to pause, breathe, and set intentions. By practicing the positive law of attraction, you're training your mind to focus on peace, love, and progress. So tomorrow, as you stand still and silent, use those few seconds to visualize the life you want. Because the truth is, what you focus on can grow into something incredible.
When outside of school, try to always find a moment of silence to generate these thoughts on a continuous basis.